plate tectonics? What are they? In a basic description, the theory of plate tectonics is a theory that Earth's crust is broken up into several different pieces, kind of like this. These pieces are called the plates, and these plates are constantly moving around. However, they don't move fast enough for us to see. They only move at a rate of about 2 to 20 centimeters a year. On our time scale, that's not fast at all. However, on a geological time scale, that's very fast, and these plates are constantly moving, and Earth's surface is constantly changing because of it. This is why things like Pangaea, a supercontinent, have been able to form in the past. Now, there are two main ways of classifying plates, these being what is on top of them and what kind of boundary they form. First of all, there are two main things that are on top of plates, ocean or continent. These make up oceanic plates and continental plates. Next, we have what type of boundary they form. There are three main types of boundaries, these being convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, and transform boundaries. Convergent boundaries are where two plates are moving directly into each other, the denser one sinking underneath the lighter one. Next up, divergent boundaries are where two plates are moving directly away from each other. And then, lastly, transform boundaries, where two plates are sliding right up next to each other. Convergent boundaries are responsible for things like mountain chains, stratovolcanoes, and deep earthquakes. An example of this being in modern-day India, where the Indian plate is crashing into the Eurasian plate, forming the Himalayas. Next up, divergent plates are responsible for things like new crust forming and mid-ocean ridges. This can be seen in the Atlantic with its mid-ocean ridge being shallower than the rest of the ocean. Lastly, transform boundaries are responsible for shallower earthquakes and odd geological formations like this. Say you have a stream that is on top of a transform boundary, and then the transform boundary shifts, effectively cutting the stream in half. Plate tectonics is responsible for many different geological formations that we see in our world today, and that is why it is important to study and observe them.